Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap video. So today we made $13,000 on the day. This is the third time recording this video, and hopefully it works and the audio doesn't fuck up. So yeah, 13K on the day. Actually, it was a little less because, as you can see here, we have 10 accounts with Top Step X. Now you might be like, what the fuck? Why do you have 10 accounts? The only reason for that is because I'm trading 5 150K combines along with 5 Top Step 50K expresses. Okay, very simple. So yeah, our real P&L on the day was like 8K, some shit like that. Still a good day, not really complaining. As you can see, these are all the accounts here. Expresses, trading combine, 150Ks. I meant to risk a little bit more on this today. Fortunately, whatever. MFFs all funded, P8 Apex is all funded, and then Alpha Futures all funded. So yeah, that's pretty much all of the accounts. I like to risk anywhere from like 150 to 200 bucks, make anywhere from like 200 to 400 bucks on the accounts. Just to follow consistency and everything else, especially because I'm trading the majority of my Apexes. So, I like to keep everything, consolidated and organized and, not shit. So, today was an interesting day. I was looking a bit more bullish coming into the open, but we did have a huge displacing candle towards the downside. All right, initially at open, I did want to see a couple of these gaps get tapped into, right? We had the PM highs from Friday, and then we had this unfilled 4-hour from Friday as well. So we never ended up tapping that. We immediately just dumped straight off of open, which is totally fine. And yeah, I had this line here, as you can see, at 640.25. This was a bullish 30-minute gap. That ended up getting tapped at open. No entries for me down to that level. I did see this 1-minute inversion here, but the only reason why I didn't want to take that is because of the fact that ES was almost already at the high. So we were anticipating an SMT to form at that high, a bearish one. And just simply from the sheer fact that price had already closed very bearish, right? We had a 5-minute CISD. All this move was really here that I was thinking was just to come back and rebalance to the 5-minute CISD. So I wasn't thinking of this as an inversion to just go all the way back up here, because realistically that wouldn't really make sense to me, especially if we have a 15-minute gap down here, we have equilibrium down here, we have midnight open down here aligned with OTE of the higher time frame range, from this low down here to this high, right? It just made sense for us to continue lower, right? So once we got that pullback up to the 5-minute CISD a few times, we pull back, and then we end up getting a nice SMT at this high on the 1-minute. That was really enough for me to kind of frame the idea of, okay, hey, this is probably going to end up respecting this zone here, and we're not going to end up continuing higher. So as soon as we ended up getting a nice little 30-second inversion to the downside here, I ended up taking a short position off of that. And then once we swept out the slow and the 15-minute gap down here, I ended up going break even, and it break evened me. So that was unfortunate. But fortunately, on the other hand, we ended up coming back up to this 30-second IFEG, using this, respecting the wicks, respecting CE of it, right? The wicks do the damage, the bodies tell the story, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we had a little internal sweep there. We got the little respect, we had resistance. And that was enough for me to warrant wanting to re-enter on a 15-second inversion. That's all I did. I waited for this inversion here to invert, and then I shorted. Very simple. Shorted there, stop loss just above the order block, and targeted the midnight open right there. Very simple. That was the trade for the day. That made us like 8K. So yeah, I did end up blowing my previous set of 150K as I was really close. So what happened was I initially thought that I passed them, but apparently my consistency wasn't. I made too much apparently, so I tried going to micros to make more, but apparently I wasn't in micros, so I ended up entering a little bit too much size, and then the trade ended up losing, and then I pretty much screwed everything over for me. This was like in Asia, by the way, so I wasn't recording or anything. Didn't really give a fuck about it. But yeah, I completely lost. I ended up getting down like halfway to blowing the account, so I just Hail Mary that shit with like 10 minis, and I blew them. So. But yeah, we're back to passing them now. I don't think I'm going to go too aggressive on them. I don't need to at all, really. There's no point. So yeah, we're up 1,500 on those on the day. It is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Hopefully you guys caught those shorts. If you lost today, just take it as a lesson. Don't overthink it. Don't, criticize yourself or anything like that. Just understand, journal why the loss took place and what you could have done better. Because there's always opportunities like that. You can understand why you could have done better, or what you could have done better. Same thing for wins too. All thing you could have done better, maybe held for a longer time. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. That is all for you guys. Make sure to like and comment if you need anything else or want anything else in the videos. Also, make sure to join the free Discord below, man. The link in the description, the free Discord, man. We catch bangers like this literally with the Discord every single freaking day, dude. Tuesday through Thursday at least. I don't live trade Mondays and Fridays because usually they're not the best days. But Tuesdays through Thursdays, bro, join the freaking live trades. I'm telling you, bro, you're going to fucking love it. I'm one of the most underrated fucking traders on the internet, bro, and I'm getting tired of it, okay? Join the free Discord. At this point, I'm just trying to help you guys get money. That's it. I'm just trying to help you guys get money and build a profitable system so that you can be self-sufficient traders for yourself and literally become the market's fucking bitch, bro. Like, in a good way, though. You're, like, taking money from it and it's not taking money from you, if that makes sense, right? Okay, cool, right. But yeah, dude, join up. It's free as fuck. It's not going to be free for that much longer, so join up. All right? But yeah, people in right now are obviously banking. They're doing a great job, and they're very happy, so can't complain. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. If you had a great day, leave a like, leave a comment. Even if you have a bad day, leave a like, leave a comment. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video, probably tomorrow. But yeah, without further ado, peace out, motherfuckers.